For a body, angular velocity omega vector is equal to I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, and radius vector r vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Then its velocity is, here we have to find out velocity vector with the help of angular velocity and radius vector. So in our question it is already given, velocity vector is the result of cross product of omega vector and r vector, where omega vector is given as I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, and r vector is given as I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So here we have given omega vector and r vector, and we have to find velocity vector, which is the result of their cross product. So we will use matrix method to solve cross product of two vectors, and first we have to make matrix which can be designed in the following manner. That is, here we will see three rows, in which first row is of I cap, j cap and k cap, and second row is the coefficients of first vector, that is omega vector. So coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap are 1, minus 2, 3 respectively, that is coefficients of omega vector. And in third row we will put coefficients of r vector, that is 1, 1, 1, that is coefficients of I cap, j cap, k cap in r vector. Now we will use matrix method to solve this one. So according to rules of matrix method, first term is of I cap, and the remaining part of this section is, by hiding row and column of I cap, we will get matrix of 2 by 2, that is minus 2, 3, 1, 1. Now move on to second term, that is of j cap, and according to rules of matrix method we will use minus j, and remaining part is matrix of 2 by 2. So by finding matrix of 2 by 2, we first have to hide row and column of j cap. So remaining part will be 1, 3, 1, 1. Now third term is of k cap, and remaining part is matrix of 2 by 2, which can be find out by hiding k cap row and k cap column. So here we will get 1, minus 2, 1, 1. Matrix of 2 by 2 is finding out with the help of hiding row and column of the respective term, that is I cap, we hide I cap row and I cap column. So remaining part is minus 2, 3, 1, 1. In case of j cap, we will hide row containing j and column containing j. So remaining part is 1, 3, 1, 1. And in last term, that is of k cap, we will find matrix by hiding k cap row and k cap column, that is remaining part 1, minus 2, 1, 1. Now we will solve this 2 by 2 matrix, which can be find out with the help of cross multiplication. So first term is of I cap, and we will see on cross multiplication minus 2 with 1 we will get minus 2, and on cross multiplication of 1 with 3 we will get 3, and we will subtract both these terms. Now moving on to j cap, first we will multiply 1 with 1, we will get 1. Second term, on cross multiply with 1 and 3 we will get 3, and we will subtract these two terms. These are the rules of matrix method. Now third term is of k cap, in which we will cross multiply 1 with 1, we will get 1, and on cross multiplication of 1 with minus 2 we will get minus 2. Therefore on subtracting this one we will get term of k cap. Now on simplification we will get I cap, in bracket it will be minus 5. Moving on to next, that is j cap, we will get in bracket, that is minus 2. And in last k cap we will get a bracket, that is 3. So from here we are getting velocity vector as minus 5 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. So answer of this question is, that is we have to find out velocity vector is coming out minus 5 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Thank you.